Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So today in this video we'll see another real-time scenario, how to get all the data frame from a Spark session. Okay. So in a Spark session or in a Spark notebook, when you create multiple data frames, so you then after creating multiple data frame, you need to search one data frame there that in this data frame I've created or not or something like that. Okay, every data frame you have stored in a different unique variable name. Okay, so using that variable or using that data frame name, how to search it, that thing we will see here. Okay, so yeah, from a Spark session, how to get that we'll see. Okay, so I'll do the hands-on, then you will understand more better. Okay, and many students have requested that to give the data whatever we are using here. So I'll from now onwards I will put the data in comment box or in our Teams channel. Okay, so that they also can get the used data, whatever data we are using here for practice purpose. Okay, so you guys will get the data sets from the this video description video, sorry, not the description, video comments, or in our Telegram channel or in our WhatsApp channel. Okay, please join there for getting the data sets. Okay, so well, now I'll start. So here first I will create one data frame, for example. So the data frame has created. Okay, so now I will use the one Python function. Okay, for getting the details. Okay, so the details, whatever thing we have performed in this session of this notebook only. Okay, that thing is getting stored in a table that is called global symbol tables. Okay, that's the backend thing fully. Okay, whatever we used to do, जो भी हम लोग कर रहे हैं ये databricks पे, that thing, if we create any kind of list or any kind of data structure we are using, or any kind of thing, if we create one function, one method, that also all the things are getting stored in a global symbol table. Okay, that table we can access using the global function. It's a fully Python function. Okay, so I'll show you. Print global. If we take one variable also, that also will get stored in that global table. Okay, you can see whatever you will do, it will, all the activities are getting stored in global table. It's called global symbol table. Okay, it's a table. It's a basically, this table is a data structure that contains all the necessary information about the whole session program. Okay, what in this session, whatever programming we'll do, all the necessary thing will get stored here. Okay, so from here we can access our data frame. You can see our data frame also there. So print, we have done the print thing. We have done the discuss data, customer data, this thing. Okay, so we'll see. Okay, so for accessing this, first I will store it in a dictionary. I will use the items in a list dictionary. Now it's in dict item. Okay, so now what I can do, I can iterate it. So now I'll copy it. I'll copy the thing. I'll copy the thing. Now I can, using the for loop, I can iterate it. For k key and value, k and val. in this print dictionary change during selection. Okay, you need to once again run okay. So the data is now in key value pair in dict item form, you can see. So now when I am printing the key, it is printing all the key. Okay, now if I will print the value, then it will print all the value respective of the uh, of the key. Okay, so using this we can find our data frame also. So PySpark has a function. It's called DataFrame. So from PySpark dot SQL dot uh, functions import DataFrame. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll use if condition. So in if condition, what I'll put, I'll use type. If the type of key uh, no, if the type of value, because the value would be our data frame, type of value is a data frame, then only will print the key. So key would be our data frame name, this cast here, where we have stored the data frame. Let's see, we can see if we if here we'll create another data frame also. So let's create another data frame. So without wasting time, I'll put the code for creating another data frame. Okay, the order tf, it's order data frame. Okay, so now I'll once again run this. So we'll have two data frame here. Okay, so in this way you can find out your data frame. Okay, also we have another way. You can use the instance thing, is instance. Okay, so here what we can do, if instance val data frame. Okay, so this also will work like this. Okay, so if you want to print your data frame, that also you can do. Yeah, only we are printing the data frame name. Now if you want to print the full data frame, that also you can do. What we will do, val dot. Okay, so now it will execute and it will print customer df. It's full data frame, and order df, and it's full data frame. Okay, so it's a very simple thing, but it's a very useful concept in any Spark activity. Okay, daily Spark activity we need to use these global functions also. Okay, so I think you have understood the concept. If you have any kind of doubt, please do comment on the video comment section, and also you can join our Telegram and WhatsApp channel for getting daily updates, and also you can play quizzes there. We used to share quiz questions every day. Okay, there are many participants that get participate, तो वहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हो क्विज में, ठीक है, फॉर गैदरिंग मेनी एमसीक्यू टाइप नॉलेज रिगार्डिंग डेटा इंजीनियरिंग. ओके, So these are the thing. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe and support our channel, because if you guys will not support, then we can't reach each and every student who needs to run, or who wants to learn the data engineering things. Okay, so every day I'm uploading these videos. Okay, so please watch these videos. This will be very much useful for your interviews, because I'm continuously uploading interview based questions, real-time basis questions, and we have a complete playlist on PySpark and databricks. Okay, that also you can go through. You can go to our channel Cognitive Coders. Then after that, there are 3 playlists you can see. I'm continuously uploading the videos and updating the playlist. Okay, you for getting the daily updates, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified. Okay, so thank you for watching our video, and please subscribe our channel, like, share our video, and stay with us. Thank you.